So we've talked a lot about ourselves and how to help ourselves. How do we help others? How can we look out for the red flags in our friends and family?
Yeah, and one of what you could do is to be there for them, right? And how do you know these folks are depressed? When you're seeing that they're isolating themselves, when you're seeing that you see a change in behavior, when you're seeing that all of a sudden they lack motivation. This is somebody who was always motivated, and all of a sudden the person lacks motivation. When you see that this person is having some negative thinking patterns, they become so overwhelmed easily, when they're just having issues with sleep, when they're having some low self-esteem issues, you
Mhm.
just look at the signs of the depression, and also look at the person and see if they're, because folks that are struggling with depression and anxiety usually do not tell people that, I'm going through this. They tend to isolate. So if you're able to see all these signs, just be there for them. Make yourself available to them,
Okay.
and encourage them to seek help. That's the best you can do, and encourage them to talk with a therapist. And as I said, I would practice all the alternative coping strategies we highlighted earlier. Doing the yoga, music, your hobbies, and doing all those stuff. And before I probably focus on medication. Medication will be the last thing I do. But also just know that there are some medications available that could help with your depression and anxiety. So after you try some alternative coping strategies and it doesn't work out, then you probably would want to speak with a psychiatrist, and they can prescribe some medications to help with your anxiety or your depression.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.